Hello, Assalamualaikum, good morning everyone. Here I'm in Singapore, exactly in the National Nanyang Polytechnic, and here is my apartment. See, I just get out from the building, from my apartment, and then he's on the downstairs. And as you can see, environment around the apartment is so clean. You may probably see the different thing around me. You see over there, that's it. There are some cleaning service, and they are looks what's it? They are older than us, but they are still working. I mean, they still work. Oh my God, it's so different than in our country, right? When, as we know that when people in our country they're getting old, they're trying to rest and they stop to work, they stay at home, and sometimes something like that. But here there are a lot of men that still keep working. Yeah, over here. So yes, it's okay. Yes, okay. So, oh yeah, we're guests from Indonesia. Yeah. No. We have what is it? 32. Yes, 32. Part. So, Hardika, what your comment when you have one day in Singapore? Komentar.
Komentar pertama kali datang ke Singapura itu sangat luar biasa. Salah satu hal luar biasa ya,
mana?
yang tidak ada di Indonesia. Alat-alat sederhana ini yang tidak ada di Indonesia. Dan kalau kita lihat keluar itu di jalan, untuk lingkungan kampus ini sangat tertib sekali, kemudian sangat rapi. Kalau dilihat kebersihannya sangat luar biasa dan semuanya juga teratur. Jadi kayaknya kalau Indonesia seperti ini luar biasa, Mister.
Amazing. But I don't know when it's happened.
Sebenarnya gimana ya? Pakai koin?
Yes, it needs a coin. Well, this is only a coin machine. You have a coin? Oh, this is $1. $1. Oh, this is 70 cents, I think. See, guys, here there is two things which is different: cans and plastic. So we're able to put our rubbish in a different kind of it. Like for instance, like cans, we can put in the yellow box, and then the green we can put in the green one. So that's it, the different thing in Nanyang, Singapore. What is in this place? So now we're waiting for the others members, because at 9 we're gonna have a meeting with Miss Judy and Mr. Lee as a ceremonial opening for our course. Okay, have a nice day and have a nice work. Keep spirit to work and then keep studying hard. Please be Please be strong, man.